A few months ago, we dug a hole underneath our boat so we could pull the rudder out. We wanted to pull the rudder out for two main reasons. The first reason was that we needed to repaint the back of the rudder as well as the part of the skeg that the rudder goes up against. And the second reason is that we needed to have a keyway put into the rudder post so that we can connect our new autopilot. And we needed to fix this mess. So we dug a big hole, dropped out the rudder, fixed all that stuff, and last week we showed you how we finally got everything all painted up again. And now it's finally time to put things back together and to fill that pesky hole. I'm Taryn, this is Logan, and this is Max. Our life rarely goes as planned, and this story is no different. But we are determined to rebuild our beautiful steel boat, even stronger than she was before. And we're bringing you along with us. Well, we've got an exciting day ahead of us because today we're going to try to put the rudder back in the boat. And this is very exciting because this is pretty much the last big thing that needs to go on the bottom of the boat. We have a couple of seals that we might try to replace, but other than that, that's pretty much the bottom of the boat done. And then we can also throw all that dirt back in the hole from when we dug out the rudder and have a nice surface to walk on again, which will be great because we've just been walking on sheets of plywood that bounce up and down and around. So it's a bit of messing around to get to the point where we're ready to actually put it back in, but it shouldn't be that bad. And then we should have a rudder back in the boat. Yay! We had to get the rudder back in the hole and back in the boat without scratching the paint, which was one of the hardest parts.
All right.
Okay.
Slow. Alright, so you want to pull that plywood out. Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Still got a ways.
Okay. To the seal?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Yep. Keep going. Yeah, you're looking good.
back up again?
Okay.
How close am I?
You're like 1.5 inches, but you're way aft. Like,
oh yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm struggling to get this thing up.
Okay.
So let me know when I'm close and I can line it up for you.
Okay, another like half turn and you'll be there. Okay, stop. Right there.
Okay. Hold on a sec. I gotta wiggle this thing around.
Okay.
Okay. How's that?
Yeah, you should be good there.
Is it going?
Yeah, you're through. Well, you're in. Yay!
Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I need you to give me a little bit of a line up here.
Okay, what do you need me to do?
Push the rudder in towards the skeg. You'll be fighting to come along. Oh. Go back in again. In more.
Tighten there with the paint.
Yeah.
It's already scratching it up.
It was scratched putting it up there. I think it just went on too thick.
Yeah.
It's really easy to... Oh, yeah.
This hole was very effective at fulfilling its purpose, but it's also been really annoying to work over top of, so we were very excited to have it filled back in. What'd you do? What would we do?
Filled in a hole.
What did we do before that?
Oh, we put this on again. For
Yay!
the last time, I hope.
Me too.
Yeah.
So that's in, and then this happened. Sweet.
It is sweet. It makes working on this that much easier. Because now I can just stand here.
Wow, look at that.
But we will get more into what we are doing here in another video.
So you can see here that there's paint already kind of chipping or rubbing because it was just too thick.
Yeah, we have 3 layers of high build primer and 2 layers of anti-foul.
It was too much.
It was too much. So the anti-foul is getting scored off basically. Which it was doing that before, so it's no different.
No. Like it bonked?
Well, yeah, it hits here. It's fine once it's back in the water. It's not really gonna rust. But
Thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting. Those things really help to push our videos out to a wider audience. And an extra big thank you to our patrons for their generosity and for helping to keep this boat rebuild going.